Hi goal getters, what if I told you that this golden flower could turn your dreams into reality? Yes, this is exactly what happened to a woman here in Yaoundé, precisely in Bankomo, where she turned a $50,000 investment to $200,000 just from these beautiful flowers. But here's the shocking part. Do you know that 90% of African farmers are missing out on this golden opportunity? Growing up back in the days, I am actually one of those people who used to see sunflowers just in textbooks in schools, and we didn't really make any importance out of it because we just saw it as any other flower. And the funniest part is that we didn't even know that this is something that is actually being cultivated as a plant, talk less of producing oil. And to give you a taste of what is coming, goal getters, do you know that in just 1 year, the price of a liter of sunflower left from $14 to a whopping $38? I am going to be telling you why in a bit. So if you're interested in knowing why and also know how you can benefit from this golden opportunity, stay tuned, for I'm about to show you exactly how to tap into this multi-billion-dollar industry. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Elvin Chick, and I've been helping a lot of people attain their financial independence, and you could just be the next. So I therefore invite you to go to our playlist and catch up on everything we've done on the channel so far, and also endeavor to check our about page where you're going to find the link to our membership if you are interested in joining. And for those of you who've been asking, oh Elvin, we need something to do together, please create a system wherein we could invest together and all the like. I heard you all right, and it is done already. So I am glad to announce to you that Africa Today has got an investment club that you could join and invest in whatsoever investment option suits you. So back to what we were saying. So after my diggings, I can assure you that the sunflower farming is not just a business. It is actually a revolution waiting to happen in Africa. And today I am pulling back the curtain on everything you need to know. Now, before I reveal the exact numbers that will blow your mind, let me quickly ask you this. Do you know why major investors are suddenly pouring in billions of dollars into sunflower farming in Africa? Well, let me share with you 5 game-changing facts that most people don't know. First is the fact that the sunflower plant takes just 4 months from planting to harvest. With the sunflower, just in 4 months' time, you are good to go. The second thing you need to know is the fact that the sunflower oil is so treasured by many, alright? A lot of people would pay whatever it takes to lay their hands on the sunflower oil. And this is simply because it has got a neutral taste and a high vitamin E content. The next interesting thing you need to know about the sunflower is the fact that it is actually drought resistant, therefore making it a powerhouse that can thrive in African conditions. Now you might be asking yourself why the sunflower is so expensive, right? It might interest you to know that the Ukraine war actually contributed to the skyrocketing of the sunflower prices. The war actually disrupted the global supply, therefore causing the prices to rise. And it might interest you to know that the global sunflower prices have increased by a whopping 45%, and in just 2 years. But here's what makes this opportunity even more exciting. The perfect African locations. Yes, not all African countries are created equal when it comes to sunflower farming. So after thorough research, I've identified the top 5 African countries perfect for the sunflower cultivation. And the first on my list will definitely be Tanzania. And this is simply because Tanzania has got a perfect climate and existing market infrastructures. Second on our list, we are going to look at South Africa. South Africa has got an advanced technology and export facilities. Next on, let's look at Uganda. Uganda has got ideal soil conditions and growing demand. Next on, Kenya. Kenya has got strategic location and supportive agricultural policies. Last but not the least, we've got Cameroon. Cameroon has got perfect altitude and growing conditions. And just like Kenya, it has got supportive agricultural policies. Yes, the government is actually subsidizing the cultivation of sunflower, therefore encouraging a lot of people to embark on the sunflower cultivation. So if you are in Cameroon and you didn't know about this is an opportunity for you to tap from. But before you jump in, there's something crucial you need to know. Just like any other plantation business, the sunflower has got its own challenges, but the most crucial one is during the harvest period. When harvesting by machine, it's best to wait until the seed's moisture content is between 20 to 25% to reduce seed loss. You need to keep the crop weed-free for 4 to 6 weeks after sowing. So that said, let's quickly have a breakdown of the numbers for a 10-hectare sunflower plantation. So here's an initial investment breakdown. For your land preparation, let's assume $5,000. Seeds and planting, $3,000. Labor, that is the 4 months labor, $4,000. Literally meaning $1,000 per month. Equipment, $8,000, and miscellaneous $5,000, bringing us to a total investment of about $25,000. Here's where it gets interesting. Let's look at the potential revenue, which is the part you've been waiting for. With a 10-hectare plantation, you are going to be having an average yield of 2 tons per hectare, so giving you a total yield of about 20 tons. Now, the current market price is about $800 per ton. So that gives you a total revenue of about $16,000 per harvest. Now, you are going to be having 2 harvests per year, right? Which is going to bring you a total of $32,000 per year. So for your annual profit, you just deduct your $25,000 initial investment from $32,000, and it leaves you something about $7,000 or so for the first year. Now, for the subsequent years, you are going to be making something about $24,000 per year. So you just subtract something like your operational cost, and that's about it. But wait, there's more. Let's now look beyond the seeds, because that's where the real deal is. Yes, goal getters, here's where most farmers leave money on the table. Sunflower isn't just about oil. Yes, you know already that you can process your sunflower seeds to extract oil and make a lot of money from it, right? Yes, the first one obviously is a cold pressed oil premium market, yes. But alongside, you've also got animal feed from cake residue. Yes, that's another option. Another thing you're going to be benefiting from is the organic fertilizer from the stalks. Another opportunity that a lot of people don't even know about is the bee farming integration. Yes, bee farming does very well with the sunflower. You know, the bees have got the sunflowers to suck the nectar directly from in the same place, which is a big advantage that smart sunflower farmers do take advantage of. Last but not the least, we've got direct seed sales to snack companies. Yes, the sunflower seed is equally incorporated into some of your snacks out there. And mark you go getters that each of these can increase your profit margin by 15 to 30%, which is something not negligible. Now, this is one of the most interesting parts, all right? The global demand. Do you know that the global sunflower oil market is expected to reach $32.5 billion by 2027? And that's not all. Here's even the most shocking part. Can you imagine that Africa, that has 60% of the world's unexploited arable land, currently produces less than 5% of global supply, despite having ideal growing conditions? This gap presents a massive opportunity for smart goal-getters like you. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I actually get started? Well, I've got something special for you. On our membership, I will be sharing a complete sunflower startup guide, including exact seed selection criteria, soil preparation secrets, market strategies, and my personal supplier list. So if this is something that interests you, you know exactly what to do. Rush to our membership and you're going to be served properly. So hope you found this video helpful, and remember, in agriculture, the best time to plant was yesterday and the next best time to plant is today. So if you get what I mean, it is time for you to take action. So if this video helped you see the potential in sunflower farming, give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones as much as possible. For as I always say on this channel, the more we empower Africans, the greater Africa will be. So do well to drop a lovely comment in the comment section and let me know which country you are watching from. Always remember that fortune favors the bold farmers. That said, love you all and Happy New Year in advance, and hope to see you on my next one. As always.